Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about rotate the characters in a given string based on n value. So what is the meaning? So the input string is hello world. So the value of the n is 1. That means I have to move this last one character to the first position. That's it. See here friends. Here what is the position of the d? Last. Now what is the position of the d? Starting of the string. So here n means what is the how many characters? N means how many? Here one means one character. The second string, see here what is the n value? 4. So what is the meaning of 4 here? You have to move last 4 characters. C O R L D 4 characters into first position. So this is the last string friends. So how to achieve this one? Very simple friends. Like by using substring, we can easily achieve it. And this program is they asked in the one interview, so that's why I'm going to discuss about this program. Okay. See here I have taken input string is equal to hello world, integer moves equal to 4 or 1. You can take it dynamically, you can read this value from the keyboard. So what I am doing friends, just I am taking like this friends, say sorry, first I am finding the length friend, length of the input string. So integer, say length equal to input string dot length. So what will be happen friends? Now I'll get length of the input string. So what I am doing is input string dot substring of. So I want 4 characters. 4 means I want last 4 characters. How to get last 4 characters from the given string? See here friend, just I am using like substring here. If you give 4, then what will be happen friends? So from here onwards, like 0 1 2 3 4, from here onwards it will come, but I want last 4 characters. That's why what I am doing here, just I am calculating length, length, cell length minus moves I am giving. Let me check what will be happen. What would be, I mean what would be the output? Let me check friends. Yeah, system.out.println. Just I am trying to display this value. See here friends, ORLD. Last 4 characters I am getting. Length. What is the length here? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 friends. So 10 minus 4, 6. 6 means what is that? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means what is that? Including this character friends. So I am getting like this. Say 0, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 friends. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 means what is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. From 6th onwards, I'll get like this friends. Suppose if you give 1, then what will be happened? I want last character. So 10 minus 1, 9. So this is the last character. See here. D only. Like that you are getting last character. But what about after taking this one, I want the remaining string. So entire string I want. Suppose if you take 4, then what will be happen? I don't want this part, I want this part only, up to hello w I want. So for this one what I am doing here, simple friends, what I am doing, please check it here. So input string, say dot substring of, say 0 comma, from starting onwards I want, just what I am giving is length minus moves I am giving. Let me display this value. What is output here? System.output.println. Yeah. If you see here hello w and world, so it is printing, it is splitting like that only, right? So just I am passing one. See the output here, d and hello. Now what I will do here, I will take this one and I'll append at the beginning of the string. So that's it, friends. So cut this one and plus here, put it here. That's it, friends. My job is done. Otherwise, you can take one more string and you can put into another thing. So d hello world, hello world. Suppose if you give 4, then what will be happen here? That's it. See here, last 4 characters I have removed from the at the end, and I concatenated, I appended at the beginning of the string, friends. That's it, friends. And if you have any better solution, if you have any simple solution, please let me in the comment section. Uh, Definitely, I'll try to learn. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video.